Lemon?
No.
Is that the best thing you've ever had in your mouth?
What's that right there then?
That's for another recipe, asshole. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. I hope everyone's doing well. It's very hot here, so I'm trying not to do any in the oven cooking. So today I am making a chimichurri sauce.
What?
Chimichurri sauce.
Sure, that's how you pronounce it.
Yes, because chimichurri. I remember that's how I say it. So right here I have resting a lemon broil. And that's what we're going to taste the sauce on. There's a recipe in this recipe for like using any kind of steak you want, and I'll post that. But the seasoning I use whenever I make anything like that, I just stick strictly with Montreal steak seasoning.
Why?
Because you guys like it, and I like it, and most importantly, Charlotte Ray McLaughlin, my little granddaughter, loves it. She calls it spicy steak, so that's why we use that.
Let a 4-year-old decide things.
Yes. If she's going to eat it, I'm going to make it. And I think any grandmother out there would agree with me. Okay, so here's the ingredients. I'm excited about this because I do like this sauce. I have half of an onion diced in my little oyster here. I have a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, about a half a teaspoon of mixed Italian seasonings, and then a quarter of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. God, I'm stumbling on my words here. So I'm going to add that in here.
Again?
Excuse me?
Are you drunk again?
Oh, shut up with the drunk shit. I'm going to put in 2 cloves of garlic.
Have you moved on to harder things?
No. A half a cup of cilantro. A half a cup of parsley. A quarter cup of olive oil. And 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Okay? Easy peasy. I think that's been my theme the last couple shows.
Yeah, you get paid by the easy.
Well, you want it to be easy. You don't want to make, I mean, you know, it's hot, it's summer, it's just very hot. So, okay, I'm going to blend this up, and then we'll have our taste test with the blender broil. What?
Broken. Shredder.
Shredder?
What is it?
It's an oyster. It's a chopper.
Oscar Mayer Wiener.
Really? 33 years old. Making it into like a sauce, so call your brother. He's supposed to be the one taste testing today. So here's how it looks. Let me pour it into a little bowl.
How many ounces is that?
What?
How many ounces is that bowl?
I don't know. I gotta look them up. I know. I bought them and I don't know. Okay, so this is chimichurri sauce. No, you're not just. No, I'm gonna cut a piece of lemon broil and then you're gonna put it on there and taste it with the lemon broil. Okay? Let me What? What do you say?
She said.
Okay, damn. Look at that lemon broil. How perfectly cooked that is. You're gonna, this is a fork. I'll give you a knife here. You don't want to take that big
More
whole
in
lot.
case you didn't know.
Okay, so cut your bite.
This is actually how you
It's
eat
oniony.
every day.
This is how you.
I like that. I like all.
You do? Okay, so wait, what does it take? What do you taste in the chimichurri sauce?
Here's what I'm not having. Lemon?
No.
Is that the best thing you've ever had in your mouth?
What's that right there then?
That's for another recipe, asshole. Okay, it's got cilantro,
Yep.
parsley,
Onion.
onion, olive oil, red wine vinegar,
I got all that.
salt.
I was just
Pepper.
saying all that.
So you do like it. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, it's like Mikey. He likes everything. That's how we have to say things with Bill. Oh, he'll like it. Okay, Dan, hold the camera and let Billy taste it. Last week he didn't like my cheesecake stuff I made. My handsome man.
I got chick in this motherfucker.
You got it?
Are we in it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, really? Yay! He likes it, Dan.
Is that lemon?
Now I gotta taste it. It's like I think chimichurri is a Greek thing. Do you think maybe you tasted it with the Greek food that you eat?
Probably.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my
She
God.
don't like it.
You taste lemon too.
I didn't say lemon.
There's lemon in there.
That's really good. Okay, that was an easy show. An easy sauce.
Please talk and chew at the same time.
When you're on keto, flavor is important, like flavoring up your stuff. So this is keto friendly. I'm gonna post the recipe. I will post the seasoning that they tell you to put on the beef. Like I said, I don't use that. I just use Montreal steak seasoning. And next week, I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, like summer salad. It's a tomato salad that's great as a side dish. Thank you for joining Mama Debz Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.